Biggest story that Republic TV is getting you the latest news breaks on. Now, Republic TV has again got the first and exclusive reaction of BCCI Secretary. BCCI has issued a statement. The Secretary, Debajit Saikia, has reacted to the dressing room feud, the internal rift in Team India. In an exclusive conversation with Republic TV, BCCI Secretary Debajit Saikia has said that the rift between Gambhir, Rohit and Kohli is something that he's not interested in. BCCI is least concerned about gossip on social media or the news on mainstream media. Saikia goes on to say that BCCI is working to deliver and not concerned about what's going on between who. That's what the Secretary, BCCI Secretary Debajit Saikia said. Take a listen and viewers to this exclusive conversation.
Yesterday, there was a lot of talks going around across the national platforms and channels and social media even regarding rift between Gautam Gambhir, Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. What is your take on that? Do you think there is a rift or is it all well within the main team?
These are not my cup of tea. These are certain things for the social media. So I do not want to make any comment. Let everybody enjoy their social media status updates and everybody have fun. But so far as BCCI is concerned, we are not bothered about all these issues. We are in our job and in a very strong manner. We don't give much importance to what the social media is saying, what is going on between whom. These are none of our business.
In mainstream media also there were news about...
It doesn't matter whether it is in the mainstream media or it is in the upstream media or it is in the social media or it is in the electronic media, it is in the print media. Doesn't make any difference so far as BCCI is concerned.
That was Republic TV's exclusive input on the story we have been tracking for you viewers. And Ankit Banerjee, my colleague, joined the live on the broadcast. Ankit, well, Republic TV getting the first reaction from Debajit Saikia. Of course, it is indeed a headache for the BCCI, what's been going on in the past few days, especially after the dismal performance of Team India and the leaks that have been coming out, the infighting and the pressure that's been mounted on Gautam Gambhir. But the Secretary clearly says that it's not his cup of tea. They're least concerned about these reports.
Right. That is exactly what Rajiv Shukla also said when he was confronted with the question about what's happening inside the dressing room. He said there's no rift inside the dressing rooms. It's all being planted. There's no truth behind these stories that are doing the rounds. And then you saw Saikia today say this, take the same line. He said the same things. He said BCCI is just not bothered about what's being spread on social media. Minutes back, I spoke to DDCA president over here. I tried contacting him. He did not give me a response. Then I tried getting in touch with another person from the DDCA. And then the person told me, I asked him about Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli. And you know why? Because after Gautam Gambhir stressed on the fact that they should be playing domestic cricket, Rohit Sharma is back to playing domestic cricket. But Virat Kohli is not. So as the person, the DDCA person, so he told me that these people, these are big stars. They know what's to be done. They don't need to go out there and play domestic cricket to get back to form. He told me that you saw what happened recently when Gautam Gambhir, when Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli were forced to come back midway through a holiday, and then Rohit Sharma, he did not get among the runs. So he cited that example as well. So what he wants to say is that he wants to say is that Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli, they really do not need domestic games to get back into the groove and all that. Something that's totally opposite to what India coach Gautam Gambhir has been asking, urging.
In fact, stay on with us. We once again, of course, Ankit, you were at Gautam Gambhir's residence and questioned Gautam Gambhir on the same. But again, he has refused to answer. Viewers, take a listen into this sequence.
Sir, Sarfaraz Khan is making all the leaks. That is what you have said. What do you have to say about that, Gambhir? What about Monty Morkel? The fight with him? This is day 2. As you saw, we again tried to speak to Gautam Gambhir. He was sitting in the back seat. He denied to speak with us. We posed 2 questions in front of Gautam Gambhir about is Sarfaraz Khan making all the leaks inside the dressing room that is taking place. And the second question was about his confrontation with Monty Morkel in Australia. These are the 2 reports that are doing the rounds. And as you saw, Gambhir, the car just zoomed away. They zoomed away. He has not answered. This is the second day. We are camping outside his house. He has not answered. I hope that he answers soon. We'll keep tracking this story. This is the channel you have to be in to watch all the latest. Thank you.
So, of course, Gautam Gambhir clearly, Ankit did not speak on the matter. He remains silent despite so many of the reports doing the rounds. The new one, of course, is the latest one, which Republic TV also brought to our viewers just yesterday, which is now, of course, floating around the media today, this morning, is Sarfaraz Khan angle. Now, Gautam Gambhir reportedly mentioned Sarfaraz Khan, one of the most junior members of the team, that he is the one who's responsible for the leaks, whereas we also see his own secretary, his own assistant being asked by the BCCI to stay away from the team, to travel separately, to stay in the hotels, in a different hotel. So, there is there are a lot of leaks going on. There are a lot of reports being floated around as to what really is happening, and the latest is Gautam Gambhir putting the blame on Sarfaraz Khan, now a very junior member of the team.
You know, one thing is very certain over here, Rakshita, is the fact that Gautam Gambhir and the BCCI, they are surely not on the same page. Gautam Gambhir wants something, the BCCI is not ready to give him that kind of a leeway, that kind of a leverage to, force his way through. So obviously Gautam Gambhir is having a problem adjusting, and that was bound to happen after Rahul Dravid, after Rahul Dravid moved away from the role of coaching. This was bound to happen because Rahul Dravid was taking care of the team. Rohit Sharma was the captain. We won the T20 World Cup, and now there is a new coach in place. So obviously Rohit Sharma is going to have a problem. So yes, we'll keep tracking this story. We are going nowhere. Republic promises our viewers that we'll keep tracking this story, and surely we'll get some updates, some big breaking, some updates. And on that note, we'll dive into a very short break. And on the other side of the break, news continues on Republic.